Okay, stop everything you are doing right now because after 3 years of radio silence, Harry Styles just made the announcement that every fan has been desperately waiting for. And trust me, you are gonna want to stick around till very end because this comeback is bigger than anyone expected. So here's what went down on January 12th, 2020. So here's what went down on January 12th, 2026. Fans woke up to find mysterious website called WeBelongTogether.co, and within hours, these massive digital billboards started popping up in cities across the world. We are talking New York, Rome, Sao Paulo, Berlin, Madrid, everywhere. And get this, it's all connected to a phone number where fans can text to join Harry's official HSHQ community. But wait, it gets better. Page 6 just exclusively confirmed what everyone was hoping for. Harry Styles has officially booked his second Madison Square Garden residency, and it's happening this year in 2026. Now, if you remember his first MSG residency back in 2022, Harry absolutely dominated with 15 sold out nights straight. That's insane. He even got his own banner hanging in the rafters alongside legends like Billy Joel and Elton John. His love on tour was a global phenomenon, grossing over $617 million worldwide, and now he's coming back to do it all over again. Sources are saying Harry will be at Madison Square Garden for a significant chunk of time. Thought exact dates have not been announced yet. Fans are already detected mode analyzing MSG's schedule, and there are some very interesting gaps in May, August, and September. This will be his first time back on stage since July 2023 when he wrapped up Love on Tour in Italy, and between you and me, with all this We Belong Together hints, I am thinking new music is definitely on the horizon. Could this be the start of his HS4 era? All signs point to yes. So, are you ready for Harry's comeback? If you are as excited as we are, smash that like button right now. Drop a comment below telling us, would you travel to New York just to see Harry at MSG? What song do you need to hear live? And hey, if you love staying updated on the biggest celebrity news and entertainment stories, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. We have got so much more coming your way. Here's at Fam Dispatch. Harry's back, Manhattan better to be ready, and we belong together in this exciting new era. See you in the next one.